It's going to be Shumo Sharkar. He's a part-time bowler. The weakest link in this Bangladesh bowling attack. And he's got to...
Này cứ má Fanthao nữa mình chỉ cái nào lấy cái sừng đi nè đào fan lằng này đó đào fan đi na basic dam solid đấy. Hi guys, welcome back to again mental one to name đi dừng phải là Fanthao kan kop đeo khun ni khá dày na Fanthao à dừng phải là vậy đã. Ada video ko start kami ni sigang thang mana saya baru di video ko channel ke subscribe kami ke subscribe kami bắn ra vậy.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Doi đào khứ fan lằng này khấn thằng mình được thế nào này ăn chỉ được muốn đào khứ. Tawa dai man dam giar na kiji 300 taka lo fan na phai bai jeng fan na ni direct no thang na kham tam jana ne fan thon phai khalai bai ni ya dini khanai jale ber na dakle khom baro khadon dini khukul baro khalai nsi guys fan da ko khaw lang bai ar na khang bayar na gorom mun be kening met ni ya ni simong khada ar ai monasi dembo ching nei chi monasi dembo khula na phai da jeng Fanthao mojang hama kho basigrin si guys khang ju bai bo megong kho Fanthao ko jabju khabai ar na ni ya jabju khabai jeng ni yo Fanthao pisa pisa deng emfrai ni ya Fanthao ni munse ai ni mabai dau janai bo thain sting ar này cứ má Fanthao nữa mình chỉ cái nào lấy cái bữa bidai phong online na thanai Fanthao na này cái này belek danger रखा हुई बहुत बसर जिसका चिकन चीज़ ही नहीं से
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
वाला तो जों दा नौ थांग लांसै लोगोफोर आरो मा खालामनाय जायो नोंथांमोन नुगोन जोङो दिनै खानसेयाव मा खालामनाय जायो सब मिथिलाङो नोंथांमोना आंनि बे ब्लगाव
बड़ा हरामी हो.
गाइस Fanthao खाना फैना जोङो नै गथ'साबो खेला गेलेफैलायबाय खामथाम जाखांनानै ला जोंनि गामिनि गथ'फोर नामथा जों क्रिकेट गेलेनायखौ दा नै या समायना जोंना केमेरामेन जागोन नै
लोगो नों गेलेनो फैदों नामा जोंनिया दा खेला जासिगोन दा दसे खमायनि उनाव खेला जासिगोन जोंनि फिसाफोरनि खेलबायसि नाखि आसि
And he's going to bowl the final over as we thought. It's going to be Shumo Sharkar. He's a part-time bowler. The weakest link in this Bangladesh bowling attack. And he's got to protect 12 runs. Could be wide. He's missed the stumps again. How many times have they done that? It's been called wide. So that's a run. And an extra ball as well. Well, I mean, not the first time in this innings. Oh, he missed it again.
Mujang mendai suklera biar gitu ka ani guli sama ya mengon suklera janu ba lugu nama nanya bodi ba yo menala lugu ba
Oh, that kind of night for Vijay Shankar, you got to feel for him. He's a newcomer. He's just not been able to get bat on ball. He's got the power. He's just not getting the connection. Dinesh Karthik had a few words with him. He needs to get on strike.
Well, all the more reason that he should have just tapped it instead of going for the glory shot, tapped it and given the strike to Dinesh Karthik.
If you look at the field set, there's no one in front on the onside. The only fielder is inside the circle on the onside is the fine leg who's inside the circle.
Directed. No misses. No, don't take the second. Was there a little bit of bias there?
Oh, a little bit, just a little bit. Yes, there was a misfield and luckily the ball hadn't gone too far away. Otherwise they certainly would have been tempted to go for a second, but it is still touch and go. 10 needed, 4 deliveries.
But this is the real test now. Dinesh Karthik is on strike. Hasn't been dismissed in this tournament. He's got 22 of 6. This is the test. Modern day cricket, last over, you always get a boundary somewhere, a 6 and a 4. So it's not a big ask. Couple of boundaries and that should do it for India. 4 balls left. But this is more India's game than Bangladesh's. Get a run. Vijay Shankar is back on strike. Had to take the single. Would have been too risky to not take that.
And well, this is something that really we could avoid. in the middle of the over, 12th man coming in. That is something you really want to avoid.
What are
You
the
do not-
umpires doing?
Well, that's it. The umpire should have stepped in. The square leg umpire should have stepped in straight away and said, hello, there's no need for drinks. After 3 deliveries, you're going to go back in the dressing room and I'm not saying it's because the Bangladesh bowlers have asked for a drink. It's just the rhythm of the game that has been interrupted.
And how can you have drinks in the middle of the over and the umpire okay with it? Anyway, so it was 12 needed, right? Last match as well for Bangladesh to win it. And this is India now. Vijay Shankar has been missing balls rather than connecting. Is his luck going to change this ball? 3 left now, 3 balls left. Oh, he's found the gap. That's your boundary. So Vijay Shankar manages to get back the ball and he finds the gap as well. So 5 needed from 2 balls.
Well, the length, he's looking to bowl the Yorker, a good Yorker, but with no third man. All that the batsman needed to do was hit it between those 2 fielders. The short third man and the backward point.
Yeah, not a bad delivery at all from Sumo Shaka, but it was a little bit too wide, but a terrific shot to find the gap.
India's game to win now. 5 needed from 2 balls.
Guys, gota hisabude khela gelnani bia borena berna moza namai mane I gota hisabude khela geleba undai uni singke gotsang arna tebo bot moza namai gota gole gole for deng khela gelnani da जों खेला गेलेना फैबाय जों दा गुरस थांनाय दो तो नायलांबाय था भिडिअखौ guys mon जों गुरस थांना फैबाय आरोना माने भिडिअ खालामनो सानदोंमोन नाथाय बेंकआव थांनायखाय खालामनो हादिया आरोना जोङो एटिएमआव थांदोंमोन एटिएमआ दा अफलाइन जाना दोङो बेनिखाय जों दा फैफिनबाय आरोना ओमफ्राय फैसाखौ जोङो CSPआवसो लाना फैबाय आरोना फैसा बाहाय नांगौ जादोंमोन आं न'आव देसाय लोगो खासेनो जोंनिया नै ब्र आयो खिन्थाहाय जों दा न'आव थांबाय थादों न'आव मिथिगोन नैया जों थांबाय थादों लोगोफोर मोनाबायबो आरो भिडिअखौ बेखिनियावनो फोजोबनोसै लोगोफोर नेक्स्ट भिडिअ लोगो मोनलायसिगोन ओमफ्राय सोरबाफोर जुदि आंनि चेनेलाव गोदानबा नोंथांमोना चेनेलखौ साबस्क्राइब खालामना होबानो जाबाय आरो लाइक कमेन्ट खालामबानो जाबाय लोगोफोरनो शेयार खालामना होबानो जाबाय लोगो